Okay, let us continue. Okay, the lifespan, sole proprietorship, depending on the desire to continue in the physical life of the owner. Kasi kapag namatay yung owner, mamamatay na din yung business. So, hindi siya pwedeng i-continue. Hindi rin siya pwedeng manahin. Ayun, hindi siya pwedeng ilipat sa kanyang mga anak o sa kanyang mga heirs. So, partnership dissolved through admission, withdrawal, and death of a partner. And then the corporation, it is unlimited or it has unlimited life. Kasi kapag ang isang stockholders or incorporators ay namatay, pwede niya itong i-transfer yung ownership sa kanyang mga tagapagmana or pwede niyang ibenta. Okay. So that is the pagbabalik tanaw sa ating kahapong topic with regards to the different forms of business organizations, which is very essential in preparing statement of changes in equity. Okay, so continue with the elements of the statement of owner's equity. So ano-ano nga ba yung elements? Okay, we have only 4 to remember. Una, the investment or the capital. The next one is the profit. The next one is the losses and the drawings. Okay, so beginning balance of the owner's equity, this is usually the capital or the investment. It is the value of the owner's equity from the previous accounting period. Okay, halimbawa, last year, magkano yung ending balance mo last year? So, yun yung magiging balance, beginning balance mo this year. Okay, kung ano naman yung ending balance mo this year, that would be your beginning balance on the next year. Okay, so profit or loss. It is very important concept in business. It is basically shows the performance of the business in a given accounting period. When the total revenue is greater than the total expenses incurred, then the business gain profit. And reverse, where the total expenses are greater than the total revenue, meaning you are lost. Okay. So, alam nyo na-explain ko na yan sa inyo the last time. When we are preparing a statement of comprehensive income, what is the difference between the two? The profit and the loss. Okay? Next is additional investment. Okay, ano yung additional investment? Like what I've said a while ago, ito yung additional capital mo sa business po. In order for you to purchase equipment, if you have something to buy, and other assets that come directly from the owner and not a result of the operation of the business. Halimbawa, yung store mo kailangan ng refrigerator, and meron kang extra sa bahay at hindi mo na kailangan pang bumili for your business. So, yung refrigerator value na dadalhin mo sa store mo from your house, that is also an additional investment. Kasi sa refrigerator ay magiging part na siya ng operation ng iyong business. So, part na siya sa pag-generate ng revenue. Okay? For example, you have already 10,000 of equity, but you added 5,000 from your own savings account and deposited it to use by your business. It will result in an additional investment amounting to 5,000. So, with that, how much your ending capital? Okay, so 10 plus 5, so you have now 15. Okay, so that is very simple to compute. Okay, drawings are withdrawals made by the owner from the business. It serves as a contra-account charge to the equity portion of the business. Kasi nga, your personal expenses or personal withdrawals or withdrawals for your personal use, that is what we call the drawings. And the drawings must be deducted from your equity. Okay, so again, what are the elements of the statement of owner's equity? So we have investment or the capital, we have the profit, we have the losses, and of course, we have the drawings. So very simple lang, no? Meron lang tayong 4. The owner's equity is the residual value after deducting the total liabilities from the assets of the business. So, paano naman to? Okay, alalahanin nyo lang si Ale, ha? Ale, asset is equals to liabilities plus equity. If you wanted to get the equity, so what you need to do is to asset minus the liability. Okay, the ending equity is computed by adding the profit and additional investment to the beginning balance and deducting any withdrawals made by the owner. If the business incurred a loss instead of generating a profit, the loss is to be deducted from the beginning balance of the owner's equity. If you are reading the theories, no, or the paragraph without the presentation, parang ang hirap i-imagine, diba? Kung binasa lang natin to, so parang ang hirap para sa atin i-imagine kung ano nga ba yung gustong ipakita ng statement of changes in equity. So here you go. Below is example on what the statement of changes in equity looks like. Ayan. Again, so we have here the heading. Okay. ABC Company, statement of changes in equity for the. Okay. We need to use the word for the month ended December 31, 2021. Okay. Beginning equity, we have here the 1,000. Profit for the month, 1,000. Add additional investment, 1,500. So, how much? Total is 2,500. Okay? 2,500 yung iyong additional. Less mo yung drawings mo, 2,000. Halimbawa, bumili si Ivan, no? Bumili si Ivan ng chocolate for Angge. Ayun. Kaya kailangan, hindi naman para sa business yung chocolate, eh. Para naman kay Angge. Ayun. Para sa puso ni Ivan yun. Kaya, that is drawings. Okay? So, net increase, decrease in owner's equity, magkano na lang ang in-increase niya? 2,000 yung increase, nag-minus ng 2,000, so 500. Kaya ang ending equity ng ABC Company na pag-aari ni Ivan, kunwari, or example, is 1,500. Okay, that is the presentation of changes in equity. Okay, pero, meron pa tayong mas, specific according to the forms of business organization. Let us focus sa single proprietorship. Okay, now that you have an idea of the various forms of business organizations, diba, na discuss natin ngayon, kanina, at meron sa MDL natin kahapon, okay, yung statement of changes daw, kailangan natin i-put into practice. Assume that Juan de la Cruz started his own business selling pre-loved clothes. February 28, 2022 shows balance of 3,000 in owner's equity. So, yun yung beginning mo. In March 15, he made an additional 1,000 investment worth of merchandise. So, magkano na? 4,000 na ang iyong balanse. By March 25, he withdrew 2,000 from the business for his personal use. So, meron kong 4,000 minus 2. So, meron ka na ng 2,000. Total profit by the end of the month was 4,500. The above accounting period will show the statement of changes in equity as shown below. So, without, just our mind computation, our ending balance is 6,500. So, tingnan natin yun kung tama ba. Okay. So, kapag tayo ay gagawa ng statement of changes in equity para sa sole proprietorship, kailangan nating maging specific. Anong ibig sabihin ng specific? Kung si Makagaling ang owner, kailangan natin ilagay yung pangalan ni Makagaling. Halimbawa, J. De La Cruz, capital, March 1. Okay, nilalagay yung surname or the complete name ng owner. Okay, so beginning 3,000, profit for the month 4,500, additional investment 1,000, total additional is 4,500, less drawings 2,000, so magkano ang na-increase? 3,500 na lang. So 3,000 na beginning plus 3,500. J. De La Cruz Capital March 31, 2022, 6,500. Because we are referring to the month of March 31, 2022. Okay? So, balik-balikan nyo lang ito, ma-memorize nyo din, or matatandaan nyo rin kung paano siya gagawin. Okay. So, now it's your turn to create your own statement of changes in equity. So, ito yung mga details. Juan de la Cruz started for delivery business. Ending owner's equity de la Cruz amounting to 70,000 daw noong 31. Pagdating ng February 2, ito yung kanyang withdrawal, 15,000. Nagkaroon ng additional investment, okay, ng motorcycle. Nag-withdraw ulit ng 5,000. Profit for the whole month, total 55,000. So, anong month yung hinihingi na report? Okay? So, what amount will be reflected as the beginning? Okay? How much is the total drawings for the month? What amount will be reflected as ending owner's equity for Juan de la Cruz for the month ended February 2022? Suppose the total profit for the month is 30,000 only. How will this affect the statement of changes in owner's equity of Juan de la Cruz delivery business? And number 5, in relation to the assumed 30,000 profit, number 4, also assume the transaction in February 14 did not occur. So what would be the resulting amount of the business ending owner's equity on February 28, 2022? So, you may now prepare your own statement of changes in equity. Saan ninyo gagawin? Of course, sa yellow paper. To be submitted tomorrow before 11:59 ng gabi. So, kailangan nasa akin na yun. Okay? So, iscan nyo yung inyong yellow paper or take picture na malinaw. Ha? Pag hindi siya malinaw, hindi ko mababasa yung inyong mga sagot. Dapat hindi blurred. Okay? Please, pakisend sa akin through Messenger para mabilis kong makikita. Okay? Pag nagbigay ako ng heart, nag-comment ako ng heart sa inyong Messenger or sa inyong message o sa inyong yellow paper, that means your work is already recorded. So, pwede kayong mag-follow up. Kapag wala pa kayong heart. So, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.